Hey friends, I was just getting ready to put our pool bag away and I wanted to share this. I got this last year, this same time of year. It's a shower caddy that comes out, right before the kids go back to school. And it is absolutely perfect as a pool bag. You place to hook your keys, and it's like nylon and mesh. So you can leave everything in there to dry, drink. There's pockets all around, and they're really good sized pockets. So go ahead and grab yourself one. They are $3 to $5, and you can pick them up at Target, I know of. That's where I got this one, and I'm sure any other place that sells back to school, college, dorm type stuff. Shower caddy, it's where it's at. Leave everything in there. It's ready to go next time you hit the beach or the pool, and your kids can just be responsible for everything in it. You're welcome. Enjoy. Bye, friends.